Bullied. Who bullied you? Who bullied you? You bullied us. You bullied us. Oh my fucking goodness. You know. Ano mo yung kanila? Ikaw ang pumunta dito sa aming event and you said we stand with you. Bobo ka ba? Sa mga lakalan, Gen Z, ang tatapang na nila online.
Call for Marcos resign.
Wait lang, relax tayo.
Call for Marcos resign.
Ikaw, bakit yan? Ano, hijacker ka?
Yes, you are hijacking. I'm Marcos fake vloggers.
Wait lang,
so ano ka?
Wait muna, para klaro tayo.
Go, Alvin!
Wait lang,
Do
wait
not
lang.
mediate us.
No, kasi para ano ba, klaro ba?
So hindi kasi, ang nangyari is, nandito kami, hindi ko sila inaway. I don't even know him.
That's why I want to ask
Okay
him.
ha, I don't even know him. Pumunta siya, dyan siya nakatayo. I even thank him sa bravery na nagpa-interview siya sa Reuters.
Correct, that's why I want
Tapos
to
bakit
ask.
nag-uwi mo? Sinabi mo na hijack libre. We were shocked.
That's my opinion.
That's your opinion, exactly. This is also my opinion.
Okay, bye.
Then who are you?
So who are you?
Who are you? I'm Tio Moreno, and who are you?
I am Dan.
Oh, so you're Dan. No one even knows you.
So you are.
Oh my, really? The fact that you are
No,
talking
actually,
about
Dan,
me speaks volumes that you know
Ako
me.
muna, Tio.
And who are you again? Dan.
So
Wait lang, Tio. Pasalita mo na, Tio.
Ayun lang. Ay! How the video pa. How the video pa. Hoy! Sino?
Jason. Hoy!
Ano? Video ito. Ayan.
Kuya, layo. I-close ko na to. Ayoko ng ganito.
Sawayin mo na, huwag mag-mog na. Kasi nakapahanap din. No.
Tourist na
Please lang. Tawag na ng police. Okay. Umalis ka na, please.
Tanggalin ka to.